If you're looking to integrate your course with email marketing tools, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get your course seamlessly connected to email marketing tools, saving you time and maximizing your engagement with students. First, let's start with why you want to do this. By connecting your course with email marketing tools, you can automatically send personalized emails, update students about new content, promote new products, and even create automated drip campaigns to keep them engaged throughout the course. It's a game changer for efficiency and student retention. Now, the first step is choosing the right email marketing software. There are a lot of options out there, but after testing the most popular ones, I recommend using this software. Not only is it powerful, but it's also simple to integrate with most course platforms. You can find an exclusive free trial for this software in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Once you've signed up for your chosen email marketing software, it's time to integrate it with your course platform. Most course platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi have built-in integrations, or they offer a plugin or API you can use. To get started, you'll usually need to grab an API key from your email marketing tool. This key will allow your course platform to communicate with the software and send the emails automatically. Go ahead and log into your email marketing tool, then navigate to the Integrations or API section. Copy your API key and head to your course platform's integration section. Paste that key there, and you should be all set. It's typically a one-time setup, and from then on, your course platform will sync with the email marketing tool without any hassle. Once you're connected, it's time to set up your email campaigns. The first thing you should do is create an automation workflow. This could be a welcome email series for new students, reminders about assignments or live sessions, or even promotional emails if you're selling additional products. Set your automation rules, like when the emails should be sent, right after a student enrolls, or a few days later, for example. You can even personalize your emails to make them feel more relevant and engaging. Some software allows you to include dynamic content, like a student's name, course progress, or specific lessons they're working on. But wait, before you start setting everything up, make sure your email design is clean and mobile-friendly. We all know that most students will open emails on their phones, so make sure your emails look good on mobile as well as desktop. Once you've got everything set up, don't forget to test your emails. Send a few test emails to yourself and check the timing, content, and design. It's important that everything looks perfect before you hit send on your first real campaign. Lastly, don't forget to track your results. Most email marketing tools give you insights into open rates, click rates, and more. Keep an eye on these metrics and optimize your emails based on what's working. The key takeaway here is this: integrating your course with email marketing tools automates communication with students, making your life easier while enhancing engagement and retention. By setting up automations and personalizing your emails, you ensure a more professional and seamless experience for your learners. Quick recap: get the software, integrate it with your course platform, set up email automations, design mobile-friendly emails, and track your results. Don't forget, the exclusive free trial link is in the description below if you want to follow along. And that's all for today. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to take advantage of the free trial and start integrating your course with email marketing tools today. Thanks for watching.